Every morning you wake up, you got two choices. You can hit snooze on your purpose, or you can wake up and become who God called you to be. Most people don't fail because they're not talented. They fail because they stay comfortable. Comfort will destroy your future. Comfort will keep you broke. Comfort will keep you distracted. Comfort will make you average. But you were not created to be average. There's greatness inside of you. There's vision inside of you. There are ideas, gifts, dreams sitting inside you right now that the world is waiting on. But hear me carefully. Nobody is coming to save you. This is your life, your responsibility, your season. You gotta wake up hungry. You gotta move with intention. You gotta stop waiting to feel motivated and become disciplined, because winners don't feel like it every day. They just decide. They decide to move anyway. They decide to build anyway. They decide to believe anyway. And some of you, you've been praying for elevation while still holding on to procrastination. That season is over. This morning, I need you to lock in. Stop talking yourself out of your future. Stop shrinking your vision to make other people comfortable. Stop doubting what God already placed inside of you. You are not behind. You are being prepared.